Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to ship your items after they sell on eBay. Now, if you just watched my video from 2 days ago where I explained how to sell on eBay, side hustles, it goes over all the details on how to find products and list them. But now that we've sold one already, we're going to go ahead and ship one out to the client, and here's how to do it. All right, hey, so as you can see here, we are on my eBay account. This is the store, The Home Field Advantage. Feel free to go check out all of the items there. Feel free to shop and buy anything as well as if you would like. Now, I do have all of my items listed here on eBay, and if you watched the previous video, you saw some more detailed information. And I did also mention Poshmark. This is the other company that I sell with here. These are the jeans that we just sold. Make sure that this listing is edited because I've got to remove the fact that the 32s are no longer available. We just go in here and remove that from the store, and then also make sure that we just delete that also. So now we have 33s, 34s, and no details of anything else, and then update. All right, so with that being said, that item is listed properly now. So what's really cool with this one is go to my closet, and this has my art on here and a bunch of different stuff. So I sell jeans, art, all that good stuff there. I just wanted to show you, actually, I just sold these also. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this listing. So it's been a long time since I've been doing this. Haven't done this in a while. There it is. And I usually do this from the app anyway, but boom, there we go. So I did sell both of those. I just want to update that. All right. So anyway, back to eBay. So let's go ahead and go down to our item that we sold, which were the men's Levi's 511 slim fit jeans. We purchased these from Ross, brand new with tags. And here they are actually. So here's the product, okay? Here is the price that we paid, and we sold them for $35.99. Okay, so we're gonna make, the shipping is going to probably be about $8. $8 plus they cost $9, so $17 cost. With tax, we'll say $20. And then with fees minus $4, say, so $16. That's not bad. $15 profit for going and having some fun shopping, which is pretty cool. All right. But what we use in order to ship this, you can do print shipping label here, all in-house, all from eBay, all of that's fine. But I did find a way to actually pay less than even eBay charges, and that's with the website called Pirate Ship. So on Pirate Ship, what is really cool is they work on a platform that they open source shipping. So they buy in bulk because they have their customers using their system, me and everyone else who uses it, and they are able to say, hey, look at the volume that we put out. I need you to give us a better deal. All right. So when you go to pirateship.com, sign up for an account, it's free. You'll just simply hover here where it says ship, and then you'll come over here where it says import from eBay. You'll click that button, and this is what will pop up. All of your orders from eBay. Literally, it'll pick them all up from eBay, which is really nice. All you do is you go to Pirate Ship. There's going to be an eBay login from Pirate Ship website. You log in, and then that gives you access to all of their shipping and their rates and everything like that. So what we're going to do now is we have to get our jeans, okay? We get our jeans, and we have to weigh them, and we have to get them shipping ready. So let me show you how I do that. All right, cool. So here's what we got. We got our male scale, which you'll need, so that way you know how much the item weighs. And you want to, hopefully your item weighs less than a pound. That's always really, really positive, because then you can ship it instead of priority mail, you can send it first class, which works out really well. So again, we have the price tag on here from Ross. We're gonna go ahead and grab it and simply cut it off with some scissors. And now we can throw that tag away because we don't need it. Remember, we saved the tag in case we needed to return the item. Because remember, Ross has a 30-day return policy. So if I buy these today, which is actually the 1st, and they don't sell by the 31st, I return them on the 30th and I get my money back, okay? So if you bought it on a credit card and you returned it, you actually would never spend any of your own money because it would go back to your credit card, which we also discussed in the previous video. But now we've got the jeans all set. We've got them, all the tags are off. And again, these are brand new, which is great because we don't have to worry about any flaws or defects or anything like that. We know that it's a high quality product coming from Levi. And now we're going to weigh them. Let's see here. There we go. And so we got 1 pound and 5 ounces. Okay, so now we got 1 pound and 5 ounces. We know how much the item weighs. Now we can figure out what we want to ship it. What style of shipping do we want to ship it in? Okay, so as far as shipping goes, you can ship them in a box. USPS does have priority mail prepaid boxes. However, those are going to be usually a little more expensive. So what I do is I buy these from Amazon. These are little shipping bags. They're called poly bags. These smaller ones are, I believe, 6 by 9. And so if you take the jeans and you have them folded, what I do is just fold them up in half and then I put them in thirds. And that usually gives me the right size. Make sure that there's no hairs or anything on the actual item. No dust or anything like that, okay? So now, boom, they're brand new clean. They're ready to go. I simply slide them into the bag. Slide it down nice and tight. Now, what I do, because of the season, it is currently winter here, winter-ish, and we are shipping these all over the country. Now these are sealed. The one thing I worry about though is if there's any way of something getting inside of there or anything like that. So what I'll do then is I just simply put it in the larger bag. And then I fold it tight so that it stays the same size. All right, unseal that. And then what I do is on here, the sticky part is there. I kind of press all the air out that I can, and I simply roll it over. Okay, now that's all sealed, and what I'll do is I'll actually take some tape, or what I like to do is take the actual shipping label and I'll put the shipping label right here so it seals the seal and it's ready to ship. So now this package is ready to ship. 1 pound, 5 ounces. Let's take a look at how much that's going to cost. All right, cool. So now we are back on Pirate Ship. You saw how we package it and weigh it and all of that stuff. You may have a more fancy way. I know that my girlfriend, when she does her Poshmark store, she actually wraps them really nice and puts them in there. Personally, I've not found that makes a difference for my personal store, but it does make differences for many people's stores. So that is completely up to you on that. Now, the other question I get sometimes at this point is, wow, you are absolutely ripping people off because you bought those for $9 and you just sold them for $35, right? Well, in reality, the great thing is the stores in some states do not provide these specific items. So these items, the only way you may be able to find them at all is by going to Amazon and buying them full price, which was $69. So this customer still got a 50% discount essentially. So what we're going to do is we're going to ship this from our shipping department, which is right there. You can also sign up for my newsletter so you can see all of the videos that I put out, learn more about making money from home, other side hustles and things like that, and also watch my journey to becoming a world traveling surfer, which is kind of fun, but you can check that out. We are going to go ahead and don't use save package because each package is different. We're going to, you can use a box or a rigid or a flat rate. And we talked about flat rates earlier, and they're going to give you specific prices based on weight. But what I always use is I use these poly bags here, like I was saying. The length, if you measure it, is about 6 inches by 9 inches. And then the pounds we saw there was 1 pound and 5 ounces. All right, so 1 pound, 5 ounces. We go down here to get rates, and this is going to tell us how much the item is going to cost. All right, so as I suspected, priority mail cubic is what it's going to be called. It is cheapest. It's going to be there in 1 to 3 days. It is going to give me a $100 insurance included, and it's saved 41% off of the deepest discount that you could use. So we are going to go ahead and buy this label, and then we're going to ship it to the client, and then they're going to be happy. So there you go. I hope that that video was informative. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment down below with your question. If you want any help or you're interested in more information on how to do this, also comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as well. I hope you sell lots and lots of items on eBay and Poshmark and you're shipping out tons. Just another tip as far as Poshmark goes, shipping is already included, so you won't have to mess with this stuff. This is just for the eBay business, but pirate ship is by far and away the best situation you can possibly use. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.